Hello everyone, it's me Chebby from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to create MIDI audio file for free in any Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and in the Google search for one application named as Free Piano, and the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. Now below you will see here to download option. You can download the 32-bit or you can download a 64-bit, whichever you want to download. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder what is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Just double click it to extract this zip file. Now just open the extracted folder. Now at the bottom you will see here Free Piano. Just double click on it. So now you can see a piano along with the keyboard layout, so you can play this Free Piano using your computer keyboard also. So let me try to show you. So if I press some keys on my computer keyboard, so you can see. So now in order to create your MIDI audio file using this Free Piano, what you need to do is, you can see here a record button. Just click on it. You can see your timer is running. So now let us try to play some music. So once you are done, you can click on this recording button again. So now in order to save your recording, just click on this file. Now click on this export. Now you can see your MIDI file. Just click on it. Now give the file name, click on save. So finally you can see we have created a MIDI file. So let us check its properties. So you can see it's a .mid, that is a MIDI file. So by using this cool application named as Free Piano, you can easily create MIDI audio file for free in any Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.